Okay, Glauer, this is our ECE 321 electronics project. We have kind of a simple equalizer here. So right here we have a third order Butterworth low pass filter with a cutoff frequency around 400 Hertz. And going from there, we have that going to a push pull amplifier, which is right here, which should create a gain of about 10, sending it to one of our speakers over here. And then we have just a simple RC high pass filter going to a separate push pull amplifier, which we are sending to the speaker over here. So here's a little demonstration. So this is both. Here's taking away the high pass filter.